Finding Street Numbers, your comprehensive guide.
Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to dive into an interesting topic: how to find the street number of a specific address using a street number finder. It's not a common task, but it can be incredibly useful. This knowledge might help you locate lost addresses or verify the correctness of the address you have.
What is a street number finder?
A street number finder is an online tool that helps users find the specific numbers of a street in a given locality. This is a helpful tool when you know the street name but are unsure of the exact number. There are numerous street number finders available, including public databases, mapping services, and real estate platforms.
How to use a street number finder.
Let's look at the process of how to use a street number finder in general. 1. Input the street name. First and foremost, you need to input the name of the street whose number you're seeking into the designated area. 2. Specify the location. To further narrow down your search, provide the city, state, and country, if necessary, associated with the street. 3. Search. Click on the search button to begin the process. The tool will then comb through its database to find matching results. 4. Analyze the results. Once the search is complete, you'll be presented with a list of addresses. Find your desired street number among them. Please note, these steps may vary depending on the tool you use, but this process provides a good baseline.
What if the street number finder doesn't work?
Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the street number finder may not yield the results you're looking for. In such cases, here are some alternative methods to find a street number. 1. Online maps. Websites like Google Maps or Apple Maps allow you to zoom in on a specific street and see the numbers assigned to the different buildings or parcels of land. 2. Real estate websites. Websites that list properties for sale or rent often provide complete addresses, including street numbers. If the property on your desired street is listed there, you can find the street number this way. 3. Public records. Depending on the country and its regulations, you may be able to access public records that contain address information. These can often be found online, but in some cases, you might need to visit a local government office. There you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding a street number using a street number finder. Remember, there's more than one way to locate an address, so don't be discouraged if the first method you try doesn't work. I hope this video has been informative and that you now feel more confident in your ability to find street numbers. Stay curious and happy hunting!